Nestled in the heart of the North American continent, North Dakota stands as a captivating state with its unique geographical location and intriguing features. From the sprawling Great Plains to the rugged Badlands and the iconic Missouri River, North Dakota boasts a diverse landscape that beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Additionally, it is home to the world-famous Theodore Roosevelt National Park, which preserves the memory and spirit of the 26th U.S. President. Embark on a journey to this captivating state and uncover the hidden gems that make North Dakota an extraordinary destination. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting North Dakota and everything it has to offer. Things to do. Explore Theodore Roosevelt National Park. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Theodore Roosevelt National Park, named after the former U.S. president who once called North Dakota home. Hike through its rugged trails. Witness the majestic badlands scenery and encounter diverse wildlife such as bison, wild horses, and prairie dogs. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the historic Maltese Cross Cabin, where Theodore Roosevelt lived during his time in the region. Discover the Scandinavian heritage of Minot. Pay a visit to Minot, a city known for its strong Scandinavian heritage. Explore the Scandinavian Heritage Park, where you can admire replicas of iconic Nordic structures and sculptures. Delve into the history and culture of the region at the Scandinavian Heritage Association Museum, showcasing artifacts and exhibits that highlight the immigrant experience and Scandinavian traditions. Experience the Knife River Indian Villages. Step back in time at the Knife River Indian Villages National Historic Site, located near Stanton. This site preserves the remnants of earth lodges and offers insights into the lives of the Mandan people who inhabited the area centuries ago. Take a guided tour, explore the reconstructed earth lodges, and learn about Native American traditions, history, and art. Visit Fargo's vibrant downtown. Head to Fargo, the largest city in North Dakota, and immerse yourself in the vibrant downtown district. Explore an array of unique shops, art galleries, and local restaurants, offering a taste of the city's thriving cultural scene. Discover the enchanting Ma-Da-Hey Trail. Embark on an outdoor adventure along the Ma-Da-Hey Trail, a 144-mile trail system that winds through the Badlands and grasslands of North Dakota. Whether you're hiking, biking, or horseback riding, you'll be captivated by the stunning vistas, diverse ecosystems, and the opportunity to connect with nature in its purest form. Prepare to be awed by the trail's rugged beauty and the sense of tranquility it offers. Transportation options. Transportation options in North Dakota provide convenient and efficient means for travelers to explore the state's vast landscapes. The state is well served by several airports, including the Hector International Airport in Fargo and the Bismarck Airport, offering connections to major cities. Renting a car is a popular choice, allowing flexibility to navigate North Dakota's scenic highways and reach remote destinations. The Amtrak Empire Builder train route also passes through the state, providing a picturesque journey through the region. Places to stay. When it comes to places to stay, North Dakota offers a range of options to suit different preferences and budgets. From cozy bed and breakfasts and charming historic inns to modern hotels and resorts, there are accommodations to cater to every traveler's needs. Larger cities like Fargo, Bismarck, and Grand Forks boasts a selection of well-known hotel chains, while smaller towns offer unique and welcoming local establishments. Best time to visit. Summers from June to August offer pleasant weather with an average temperature ranging from 70s to 80s Fahrenheit, 20s to 30 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for outdoor exploration, festivals, and events. Fall from September to October treats visitors to stunning autumn foliage, particularly in the Turtle Mountains and along the Missouri River. Winter from December to February brings the opportunity for snow sports such as skiing, snowmobiling, and ice fishing, although temperatures can be cold, often dropping below freezing. Spring from April to May heralds the arrival of vibrant wildflowers and a sense of renewal. Keep in mind that North Dakota's weather can be unpredictable, so it's advisable to check local forecasts and plan accordingly. With its captivating geographical location and hidden gems, this enchanting state offers a refreshing escape from the ordinary, inviting you to embrace adventure, connect with nature, and discover the captivating stories that have shaped its identity. As you bid farewell to North Dakota, you'll undoubtedly carry a piece of its charm in your heart. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our travel guide showcasing all that North Dakota has to offer.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the travel guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.